Go ahead and take a read on that page, please. On page 5.6.
Don't do that.
Sometimes it's just a change of focus.
So on page 5.6, hopefully you're reading through that. The most common question I get about this page is in step 3 resolution, if I know what they need to do, why do I need them to tell me what they want in terms of their resolution?
Reiteration.
Make sure you understand what they need.
So it really is about that. It's really about making sure we understand what they need and that they are in agreement. And if it's their idea instead of ours, and we can still meet it, it's going to be a better call. Does that make sense? You'll get better call ratings as a result. We work with, I think I told you before, we work with AT&T in their call centers. By the way, like that's hard work. Right? It's hard work to work with AT&T, and it's hard work to work at AT&T in those call centers. Not an easy gig. To get them to take a more positive approach, to get them to put a smile on their voice, all that stuff, it takes some doing sometimes, because their jobs are like that one person I was talking about earlier. But thinking about these examples, let's see if we can use the examples in our categories. So if somebody called in, let's take one credit example. So what's a typical call about credit?
I don't see the repo on the credit bureau I'm looking at that you're looking at.
Okay, so let's do it as if it was a call. When you're ready, say ring, ring, and I'll ask you a couple questions. Go.
Ring, ring.
This is Brett at CPS.
Hey Brett, this is Mike over at Escondido Hyundai.
Hi, Mike.
Hey, I was just wondering why this deal declined. I see a paid auto, but it's telling me there's multiple repos.
Okay, Mike, if I understand you correctly, you submitted an application and you need to know why it's not been approved yet?
Correct.
Okay. Let me connect you directly to the buyer so he can get you the items that are still outstanding to fund the loan. I see an employment verification as one of the key items, and then we can get it resolved as quickly as possible. Will that work for you?
No.
So there must be something else. Or I'm misunderstanding.
Yes.
Okay, tell me more about that.
I just want to know why the deal's not approved. Why it was declined. I mean, you're telling me there's multiple repossessions on the credit, but the bureaus I'm looking at, I don't see them.
I see. I now understand. So there are multiple repossessions on this particular issue.
Per your decline, yes.
Okay, who can finish the call for me? I'm going to hand the phone to somebody. Okay, Lisa's going to take it from me. She's got the phone. When you're ready, got the phone. Finish it up.
Which bureaus are you pulling from?
We only pull Experian here.
Oh, okay. Well, that's why we declined this. We do a double pull. We're pulling from TransUnion and from Experian, and it looks like it's pulled up on the one that you don't have.
Dang owner. Not paying for Trans.
And I see a couple of other things on here that are not on there also, but that's one of the main reasons.
Okay. That makes sense.
Okay, wrap up the call.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I just need to go back to my customer and ask them why they neglected to tell me that bit of information.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Good? Let's give Lisa and Aaron a round of applause. So where did I get hung up? Where was I hung up? If you're looking down step 1, step 2, and step 3, what did I do wrong?
You got hung up on the issue.
I'm sorry? That's right, I didn't pinpoint the issue correctly. So Lisa took over and definitely pinpointed the issue and then showed them how they could solve the problem. Make sense? So now you see how the process works. Clarify the circumstances that led to the call, then pinpoint the exact issue, then offer them a resolution and see if they're okay with the resolution. Better yet, have them tell you what the resolution is that they want. Sound good? So we've got 3 little sections to fill out on page 5.7, and each group should pick one category. So all we need you to do is pick funding, credit, customer service, sales, or weird calls. Not everyone can pick weird calls. Only 2 groups can pick weird calls. But what you're going to do is each pick one category. And so in Vegas, you could pick one category, at each one of our tables, we'll pick one category. Go ahead and have a quick discussion and decide. That's not going to go there.